Baby, wow, strong hair.
Mami, no!
Galing naman. Sarap kang kumain. Ano sekreto? Nutrilin yan. Mula baby hanggang ngayon. With 17 essential vitamins and minerals. Lamang sa ibang kids multivitamins. Para sa anak ko. Alam ng PDA yan. Basta Nutrilin, naman.
Alagang nililap yan.
Malagang para, ang Nutrilin ay gawa at hindi nakagamitin pang gamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ready to enjoy more Chicken Joyce moments? Try the new Chicken Joyce Puffy Dips.
Uy!
Number 16. Shades and deals ng number 16. Ang probinsyano Margolis.
Your playground, now online. FPK has over 1,500 games to secure and fast-paced please. Straightening, color, curling. Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause. And reverse the signs of damage. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair. The bioprotein care that penetrates hair strands. Reversing the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just pause, reverse, and hit play. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Years married, how do you guys do it? Connecting eye to eye. Yung eye to eye. Paano pag lumabo ng mata? Go.
Hindi lang inuman ang nagaganap sa inuman. May kultura, kantahan, iyakan, landian, barnahula, at kung ano-ano pa man. Marty's Crackling, sarap kainuman.
Ma'am Jean, good evening. Cyril Constantino, good evening. Ay, thank you po. Thank you, Ma'am Jean. Bisitahan ko, ano mo ma'am ha, channel mo ma'am, Cyril. Mami T. Good evening. Okay lang po, Ma'am Cyril. Kayo po. Taga saan po kayo, Ma'am Cyril? Ay! Sorry, lalaki po. Kamusta po kayo, sir? Akala ko babae. Sorry. Taga saan po kayo? Ah, taga Tutuban, Maynila. Baby Bear, good evening. Bell Mix TV, good evening. Wala ba kayong channel, Sir Cyril? Wala ka bang channel? Ay, okay. May bisita pala kayo. Sige po, Boss Bell. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Jean. Sir Cyril, wala ka bang channel? Mag-play ako sa inyo, Boss Bell at Ma'am Jean. Walang channel si Sir Cyril. Okay. Ay, salamat. Ingat po. Punta kayo ng Japan. So, nakita mo lang nag-live ako, tapos nag-comment ka. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo. Family ba kayo? pupunta ng Japan. Bye po, Sir Cyril. Ingat po. Ingat sa biyahe. Thank you so much. Gawa ka ng channel para mapuntahan kita. Para i-play ko lagi. Pakibasa na lang po. Tinext ko sa taas. Sige po. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ingat. Ngayon. Cyril Constantine.
Tuesday for a date. Monday for a date. Basta dandruff yan. Magpapala ng shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and shoulders.
Germs everywhere. Protect my kid. May you safeguard my life. Protection 24 hours. Castlevania.
It's me, Rakitera. Good evening.
Your Grand Camina? Katulad mo ang Centrum Advance. May mas maraming nutrients to eat from A to Z. Tulong para malakas ang puso. Matibay ang resistensya. At buong katawan. Centrum Advance. Alagang di makukulang.
Ma'am Jelloy, good evening. Sis Yulihatin, good evening. How are you?
Ngayon nasa 40s ka na, may pangangalay pang meeting.
Ay, Doc, Vanillar. Bakit ma?
Kasi baka nakukulang ka sa vitamin D, lalo kung may diabetes at may cholesterol.
Bakit nga Vanillar, ma?
Kasi ang Vanillar, not just 3, but 5 B vitamins. More B vitamins to help you do more with your hands and feet.
Ang nakanulat yan.
At mga kahilingan dapat tinutupad. Kaya sa Tupad Party List 148 sa Balota, bibigyan ka ng ayuda at trabaho. Kung walang pakapangako, tupad agad. Tupad Party List 148
Yung unresponsive ni siya man. Mom Chin, now playing. Nag-ano akong bukol tapos.
Bicolano, kaipuhan ni Balik ang Bicol Express. Kaipuhan ng CTI, sinagas ng bullet train, likat sa Japan. Bullet train para sa Bicol. Ang programa ang Bicol Saro. Ang kaugmahan sa pamilyang Bicolano. Kaswerteng proyekto ang Bicol Saro para sa pinakamalikas na Bicol Express. Bicol Pacasan and Bicol Art, Bicol to Manila, in just 3 hours. Bicol Saro. Ang confidence na magkakaroon ng progreso para sa mga Bicolano.
This is the burger. And here's the food bag with 100 pesos off.
Sis Yulihatin, I'm here in your channel. 7 hours ago with 25 views.
No problem. Mag-temper no shake formula ka. Lagi consistent and dose. Kaya no worries. Rested, no shake. Pagdating natin ka.
Tingnan ka na. Sayang, hindi mo natulog na. Alam mo, sayang, mag-temper no shake formula. Lagi consistent ang dose. Kaya no worries. Rested, no shake. Pagdating natin ka.
Okay na ba yun? Nagigilip ka?
Gusto mo bumalik doon sa atin? Ansa? Kain na. Nakasigahan.
Okay, done, sis.
Tatampo ka na naman. Ang dami mo reklamo. Kung hindi ka man, saan mo nagaling? Bakit ngayon ka lang umuwi, ha? Matinis ko na. Sinahan mo siya. Naunahan mo ako. Para sana kita eh. Hindi na tamang bahay ko. Para ka magbayad ko pa mo. Here's a graph. Now online.
Sobrang sakit. Relax na.
Flanax deals with the real cause of pain. With care. Flanax deals with the real cause of pain. With care.
Sobrang sakit.
Hindi mo masasamang nangyari. Hindi naman yung mawawala. Yung salita na wala ka.
Sa tuwing gabi, ipaglaban ang katotohanan. Isa lang ito para
Pero marami kang motibo para patayin si Andrew Rama. Lagpasan mo lahat, Tora.
Isarado na ang madilim na nakaraan.
Tinulungan nila yung kaso namin kayo. Sa ulit ang motibo.
Kaso ang iba ng
Kailangan natin subukan makaalis mula sa kaliwangan. Ipaalala sa sarili natin ang lahat ng magagandang bagay.
Liar. The last week.
internet ko. Aw. Damo na niga. Damo nagka-connect eh. Ay, responsive.
Biruin mo, no? Dati, pinamumulian tayo dito. Tayo mga sakit dito sa lugar natin. Tapos nga, no? Nandito ka, ito ay tinutulog sa iyo. Ibang klase talaga na. Hindi talaga mundo, no? Ngayon ikaw yung nasa itaas. Tumutulong sa kanila. Pero alam mo na nabibili ko talaga sa'yo kahit nilalait ka nila, inaapi, nagtatabunan. Nakuha mo pa rin silang yakapin at kakalik mo. Alam mo tayo, wala magiging sundin lahat tayo, mahal pera natin. Kung sasarili lang natin. Kaya naisip ko, dapat ito mong nalit sa mga nakakailangan. Hindi para lumante. Kahit ano pa sakit ang naramdaman ko sa kanila. Babalikan natin sa mga kabutihan. Kaya maraming tanong ng mo, no? Alam mo, yung hindi nasisilaw sa yaman at pera na pinatakas. Pero, tutulungan pa rin ba natin ang pamilya? Oo, teka. Tutulungan mo pa rin sila.
You're welcome, sis. You're lihatin.
Dahil sa rin kung kailangan mo ngayon. Dapat na natin mapagtapusin mo sa kanya. Hindi mo pa rin kaya mo. Makalimutan mo.
Sis Shuli, please play also my channels, my videos. Thank you.
Kasi yung ibang tayo na kamamahal ko sa kanila. Dahil ang paniluan niya sa akin. Sunduin kita.
Patay si David ay.
FPJ's Batang Quiapo.
SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masisirang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata. Unresponsive na siya man.
inisip ko kung tama naman natin yung kaya. Ano na desisyon? Makita niya ang utong niya. Ibig ko sabihin,
Germs everywhere. Back to my kid. And you safeguard your right. Shop, shop, shop. Protection 24 hours para sa pamilya. Safeguard. You are safe here. My sagot right here. Pancake supplement conditioner. Use that and easily for smoothness. It's not blood, it's pancake.
Ready to enjoy more chicken choice moments? Try new chicken joy perfect dinners.
Ang nalaguso, walang pinipiling biktima. Ako, walang pinipiling matanggo. Saan man, kailanman, kampi tayo. Pero ang gusto, kakampi nyo sa Senado.
Pero yung nasa Philippines ka na, may pangangalan itong meeting. Payo ni Doc, saan nila? Kasi baka napupunan na sa vitamin D. Lalo na kung may diabetes tsaka may cholesterol. Kasi ang vanilla, not just 8 but 5 free vitamins. More B vitamins to help you do more with your hands and feet.
Ma'am Maylin! Good evening! Padaan lang, Rose. Thank you so much, Ma'am Maylin. Tamsak 13, thank you. May channel ka ba, Ma'am Maylin? Pakibaba na lang po.
Available in hair fall recovery.
Para sa pag-usap ng mga Bicolano, kaipuhan ni Balik ang Bicol Express. Kaipuhan kasi Tibay, Sindikas ng Bulletin, Bigat sa Sapa, Bulletin para sa Bicol. Ang programa kang Bicol Saro, ng mga taong kaugmahan sa pamilyang Bicolano. Kaswerte proyekto kang Bicol Saro para sa pinakamalikas na Bicol Express. Bicol to Quezon in just 1 hour. Bicol to Manila in just 3 hours. Bicol Saro. Ang party na sa magtataon ng progreso para sa mga Bicolano.
Bicol Saro.
Nutrition experts say for a productive day, you need a good breakfast. Ano ba dapat ang good breakfast? Well, dapat nutritionally complete with carbs, protein, fiber,
This program is brought to you by Smart. A touch for Ian and then a handoff to Lastimosa. Pero, kicks it out and Rosa for 3. Short. Aguero captain goes, but it will be Ross who recovers. Rose inside down to Dunmar. 1-on-1 against Aguinaldo help ready. Base swing it. Goliano, extra pass. Jericho for 3. No. Rebound of Cueva, top from behind. And now he completes the stop. Sends it forward. De La Rosa is ahead and he is gone. Round 14. We now make the score. The defensive intensity of Jonathan Agueva changed this game in favor of Magnolia. Jericho, the first cross that wide open, and he targets it from downtown. Extra pass. Grace Rosa shot the ball well, all game up now in 10 points. 2 points only the first 2 minutes for San Miguel. Agueva, it's away. Mahilig gave up that shot. Agueva makes it big, bringing up a total of 11 points off the bench. Bench scoring is with Heavy. That was favorite. The hot shot.
Tubig.
Speeding up here in the fourth quarter between these two storied teams. Napo will stay with effectively 6.5 remaining in their shot clock. Will take a break. In comes Neighbor Lucero alongside
Special instructions
fast break situations or in second breaks because he consistently finishes on 21 points and 5 points for Xavier and our opportunity to tie this contest at 80 and always comes to the effect because of this super quickness. This makes it always balanced. And one claimed and completed by Xavier Lucero. First deadlock since the opening quarter. Saw being slowed down. They'll finally get to set up a play with 10 remaining on the shot clock. CJ, Luwami, takes the board, takes a three, can't get it. Fajardo gets the offensive rebound. He's blocked up and fouled by Sangana. Probably jumps on that's down the 3-point. Take 4, went for a 3. Again, Lumar Fajardo did that job on the weak side. Jumar, 2 opportunities to retake the lead for the San Miguel Yearmen. Could get another double here and now. Won't make that work as he misses the first. Hard to get this offensive groove, this offensive timing, even the good touches in the entire contest. Shuster coming in for Troyano. Maybe vice chairman, Francis Shore, but maybe never governor in attendance. Split the line for Jumar. He's taking the lead back, 81-80. Ball Lee, high ball screen action, a re-screen from Ian. Lee off the spin, progressive foul. That will put some together perfectly. Which the last deadlock was 18 apiece at the end of the first quarter. It was about 8:15. And now that's the Bosa move with an N1 move. Using the screen from Sangana. Picks up his dribble. Locates Lucero. A savior for the lead. Won't go. The tap on the backboard is going to be recovered by Magnolia. And that's the effort. Got it from Mark Baroka. In enough dribble for Nasimosa. Tony was fouled. Referees not agreeing. Counter quick attack from Yan is fouled this time around. And I'm sure Coach Tito Bicolero will be up in arms. As Nasimosa did not get a call on their end. Chance to increase their lead to 3 points. Has done his job here in this game. Performed his role. 7 points to contest. 9 points, 9 rebounds for Rodney. Like an operator, guy and I. They have come from Rodney, but yeah. Steady. Even from the line. 3-point lead. Breathing room for the San Miguel Yearmen. Coach Tito Bicolero will stick to this 3-point guard crew as it has been working out for him. Even if he can't get Calvin back in the game. What a tremendous closer from the youngster Lastimosa.
Very hard to keep in step with his quickness, really. Also very crafty, creating shots. Very good outside shooter as well.
So on. By Lastimosa, that will also send Magnolia into the penalty. Dorkin on the shot clock. CJ goes inside. Jump bar. Blocked from behind by Ian. challenge. Ian wants it. And Coach Tito Victorero says, yes, let's do that.
Again, it has been a difficult night for the A9 MVP. Junmar Fajardo. But they're still held by a solitary point at this stage of 83 to 82.
Led by as many as 40
Point game.
Now this could be a big quality offense. Who will get
Makot pa din lang.
possession? When action resumes. Jumar blocked from behind by Ian Sagalang. The question is, who touched it last?
The challenge made by Magnolia was successful.
Katanlog sa kapuntok. Oh my God. Kapa ko pre-mood pa langan.
One challenge remaining.
Nagdanlog na buhok ko sang pag agi bilang namon sa lagrangha to bilang sa supre subas ko buhok ko pagabot sa opisina.
It was 22 to 20 early in the second quarter. They get the lead now. Espinosa to Lucero. Who was fouled by Guadiana on the slam to the net.
And again, Lastimosa creating that scoring opportunity. Advancing, winning, using that ball as play to Fajardo. Forcing Marquez to step out with a solid zone and then make that sound decision. Leaving the pass. Good way. Cutting teammate in Lucero.
And the first lead since the opening minutes.
Tamo!
Quarter won't get there, but they will surely settle for a tie.
Hindi ka mag
Lima ka crypto.
hindi ka magsingkit taga-live ko di ba?
The only negative in the stat line of Xavier Lucero
Matabo ni siya man.
was high misses.
Overexcitement.
Second free throw. Too strong. Rebound CJ. Lead stays with SMB.
Ba binayaran pa?
That's a big one coming from CJ Perez.
Ba binayaran.
Last 2 minutes na.
Minutes. CJ.
Hala,
9 seconds remaining in the
half shot lang.
Guadiana has it now.
Uy, pansin na ko panay ng yapo ko sulod wato.
They win.
Guys, sinong nanonood ng basket?
Austria, Austria. In the record time, Troiano making an excellent basketball play.
Ano ni live ni? San Miguel versus Magnolia. Ang score 85 San Miguel. And Magnolia 82. Half shot ang difference.
Good innings after 2 missed free throws. But more than that, pushing Magnolia to
Duway nagampang si James Yapaw.
3 seconds remaining in regulation.
Retired na.
Ano? Ano na sabay?
At sa
Wala, ano ka ba? Konsyal.
Okay.
Konsyal ba ito sa Marikina?
Mga counselor gali siya. Abi ko dito sa Amerika. Dalaya man ang iyang ano. Ara man ta asawa ya kagwaya ka bata.
Ayun. Ano?
Pace of the lead for Magnolia was settled closer to
Konsyal ka, sinabigay mo siya sa mura.
Sa nuwan eh.
Bago siya naman.
overtakes San Miguel.
At Doras na ni...
Near Zamora.
Sa Waya Artista. Tingnan mo, no? Berwin.
Maricar.
Ang bata yan, si Aliado.
Oo.
Si Tati. Daw na sila kung siya nga Fairpods nga magtuluyan.
Si Maricar de Mesa. Ara, ta kami classmate ko sa San Juan. Siya na daang CSWDO.
They needed a big time basket. He was there to provide. And
Utod bala niya, no?
86 to
Ni Tapol.
85. Ian Sagalang, 3 of 8 from the field, 8 points, 6 rebounds for him.
Siya na daang head.
As we take a look at the numbers of the young guns, the future guards, who will continue playing for this franchise for sure. Jerome Lasquebosa, Peter Alvaro combining for 26 points, combining for 6
Namin inom tubig.
in this game.
Busy ang lahat.
Especially Jerome Lasquimosa was continuing to impress. Outstanding ball screen player.
8 million views. Thank you so much sa pagtambay.
High quality player really. Alvaro also put in his work.
The game resets San Miguel Beer and down to just
Yes.
30
Ay wow, Ma'am Raketerang Bisdak.
Bulls and a 30 for Magnolia.
23 out of 29 videos. Busbel, andito ako sa very easy to make chocolate chips.
They're looking for Jumar. He's back
Chocolate
inside
chips.
against Sagalang. For the score, Johnson mishandles. Wami, being out and Johnson.
At sa kabila naman si Ma'am Jean. Sopas, perfect sa malamig na panahon.
87-86, Lasquimosa against Doriano. Jerome with it.
Chocolate
Ball being
chips.
active. Jerome stretches. And that will be a foul against.
Oh, gitu. Hindi pa nga kukuha na.
Oh, 87, 86.
Ano ka pa? Ma-challenge ka pa?
Half shot kaya po, no? Delay na lang ang bola. Ay, lawig pa. Ay, 12 seconds na lang, oh. Ay, delay na lang.
With good looks as you take another look at that last action.
May sunod. no?
Sulod? Wayman?
Nervyos? May sunod.
132nd time remaining for San Miguel.
Nervyos. Manol!
Uy, live ko tibiya.
All these endgame free throws. Kesty, Lasquimosa, and tying things up.
Teriak na nangyayari ng putat.
For the layup. Second free throw for Jerome. Enough to tie the score at 87. And Coach Leo
rather San Miguel not able to do it. For the second straight possession. Second straight.
Back to closing up against Ian. Both loose, recovered. Jumar, facing up. Jumar, forces up the three, it's short.
Well defended by San Miguel.
Forty is trying to attack. He locates Lasty Bosa. Missile try from deep. Oh, they take the lead.
The basketball league has shown to Lucero, Lastimosa, simply because this
Kubang tagal sa mga tamaraw sa Palawan.
game comes from Lastimosa.
36 kabilog. Layo. Ano nga tayo? Padlapad.
Will get two opportunities from the strike off of his sheer efforts.
This time, he makes sure that he puts the ball back after that defensive rebound. This setup job. Slight opening for Lastimosa. No hesitation.
Yeah, 8 points in the game. The first free throw, the tie. It's gone. Cueva checking back in, replacing Mark Roja.
May babae pa. Bantay tamaraw.
On the strike for the second. 2:36 remaining.
Almost a double-double game for the second leading rebounder for the unit.
Now it is 10 points, 10 boards, and more importantly, the lead back is with SMB. Lasty Bosa and Lucero can be two young guns competing in heroics for the
Toyota
win.
Motor Philippines.
Lasty Bosa mishandles. 5 remaining. Jerome to Sangala to Lucero, Sager inside, covered. Only will be the fire. Oh, but they will go on.
Ano eh?
Violation. They will take another look at it.
Check this.
But coach, I've seen so many shots.
Haba ng
Picking it up off a loose ball and then taking the
haba ng harang ni Boss Bell.
painted inside the big dome. This has been his spot.
Ala, lumalubat na ko.
Coach Jerome Lastimosa will believe in that scoring sequence for them.
Oh, I'm sure if this ends up as a win, we will get a refresher on the many, many shots that Bonnie has landed from that smart sticker. Junior
2 minutes.
will get two free throws.
That was a difficult catch for Wilmar Conrad City. They have to the task here at the free throw line. 13 for Bard.
Malubat na ang cellphone ko. Charge ko muna.
First free throw. For Jumar. Going as we send it over to Bell.
Both Paulie and Jerome Lastimosa to read the floor and decide from there what they believe would be the best shot possible. Back to you, gentlemen.
Chance to retake the lead for the Beermen. The second free throw is good as well. As Fajardo pushes them ahead 93-92.
Oblivious to the pressure. Daytime MVP. That's two crucial free throws. San Miguel up one.
Lastimosa against a top defender, Chris Ross. Jerome kicks it out to Barroca, would not take the shot. 7 to work with. Barroca to Lastimosa. Baseline drive. Jerome is fouled.
And again, that first step. That explosion. That speed. Barr made two free throws earlier. Remember, Jerome Espinosa could have won this game with the hot shots in regulation.
Dami na kulit na kulit sa akong.
Stop to free throw.
Busok mo siya. Good evening.
Pressure back.
Marvin Chavez, good evening. Ay,
The
hindi
first
ko
one
rin sila.
is gone.
How good will Jerome Espinosa be for the next few years? And the part of the future is already here. Inside for Magnolia, that's Lucero. And of course, Lastimosa. That's a cornerstone already. 2 cornerstones already for the hot shots.
Their leading scorers in this game, the 24 and 21. After that conversion, lead is back to Magnolia, 94-93. Who will stand as the heroes of the end game for SMB and Magnolia? Perez crosses up the defense. Perez, emergency pass. Collier open for 3. Short. Rebound picked up by Perez. The Jumar inside. Jumar connects.
And it's not just scoring the biggest shots, but also making the biggest basketball plays. That's a big one made by CJ Perez for Jumar Bahar.
Lastimosa runs into trouble. Emergency pass to Sanganang. Now Lucero has it.
Lastimosa. Siguro Lastimosa
Will
ka?
decide what to do with
Ay,
his
natigo,
basketball.
bata.
Lee, crossover against
Mas bata na
Soriano.
niya.
Ball to Barroca for 3. And
Bansi dua. Ababa, paabag, isa
Mas
lang.
bata na ni Lastimosa.
Doon na plus.
Ah,
That's the only thing that counts.
Mo sa salas karo na.
Big basket.
No, bro.
Look at the 2-point lead. Big play by Perez. Jumar Bahar.
Ya tadi Alvin. Ambil mo tuloy ya.
Converted by Barroca.
Ano dia ka atin mo?
Put on the line.
Pinera.
Oh, dari dia sila ano ni ano.
Rendes, taga tumangkas.
Ano di Manny Pacquiao sa PBA. Commissioner.
Stability, playmaking, and then defensive construction.
Holiday.
Those are the things that Mark Maroka has contributed a lot to the cause of Magnolia.
An early battle already made here in the Philippine Cup. Only one will remain undefeated. We have 49.4 seconds to settle matters inside the big dome.
Winner is the base setter. As the winner in this contest, you get a 3-0 win-loss record. Loser drops to 2-1. Two heavyweights who didn't make it to the postseason. Somebody else's postseason streak counted after being in the postseason for 22 straight conferences that spanned the total of a decade.
2 of 19 from the field in the past 2 games for Mark Maroka, but still, Coley has supreme trust. Honesty made that he will make that big time shot and get them the lead back. 14 seconds on the shot clock for the San Miguel Beerman again, goal penalty. CJ, ball screen action with Jumar. Perez has it. Now inside to Fajardo. Good God, CJ, the layup is a miss. Rebound, bounces off of Lucero, but it will be reviewed.
CJ Perez would not believe he made that layup. Excellent two-man game execution. But that's just no play.
But again, Magnolia will not complete the pass as they're giving up offensive rebounds in what would be back-to-back situations now against San Miguel.
Under 36 seconds left, 14 on the shot clock. Something looking for another typical basket and Magnolia looking for a big defensive stop.
The ball on the floor stands.
Yahoo! Arya, Darka, Abante, Arangkada.
That's it. Out of bounds. 14 seconds. Fresh on the shot clock for SMB. It will be CJ creating. They get the switch, the pass, snap, stolen back in Sagana.
Kalma, kalma. Nagsila man kita. Kalma.
SMB because
Atin
there's
na atin.
5-second difference
May 20 minutos ulit. That's your ball.
Lastimosa. Milking the clock. Now he needs to attack. Barroca. Lock
Sunod pag yun. 98. Yung 7 seconds ulit. Sadya ka pa sa... Nagugod pa. Hindi ako. Nasunod ko nga eh. Sabi ko 3.
3 points.
Duwala. Araw sa kilid. Lagi yung pasa siya. Stepping. Skipping, oh.
CJ Perez could not recover in time. Barroca takes another big time shot.
And that's why it's so hard to defend, because it's a basket, but it's a shot coming from an extra pass. But again,
Basta yung matira sa corporate. No, may corporate na.
something about reading that ball screen play so well, disallowing that pass straight to Jumar Fajardo.
Scored 3 points in the first 3 quarters, all free throws. Did not score in the fourth quarter. Did not score up until those last 2 buckets. The Bush Magnolia ahead by 3, 98-95. But at this point, Coach Ronnie, if you're Magnolia, do you foul and take it? A free throw shooting
Ang
bucket?
nangyari sa Miguel Maniaco.
Let's see what's more coming.
Kasi sa mga kumpanya.
Santiago does not have timeout, so they will not be able to advance the basketball. So it seems, it feels like it is the perfect time to just foul if you're the defense of Magnolia.
Paulun mo lang para Petro. Dua lang at Petro, isa grip.
For shooters, plus Amay, of course, as a possible three-point threat.
And that's
Paulo
the reason
lang.
why Barroca stayed in this game even with his offensive struggles. The assist numbers, the defense, always there.
The leadership. And you can also sense that that slight press
Hindi pa patira, Tris.
paid dividends
Ay
eventually
mga balis.
as he was pressured here in overtime.
Trolliano for the time, overlooks it, Barroca gets the rebound. And the Magnolia chicken the para sa Lanzalas, good completion of that.
Daog pa.
Tactic, the defensive rebound. Trolliano had a good look, but it was not meant to be. Good stick of a win here for the Magnolia Hot Shots.
Prime time performances from Xavier Lucero, from Jerome Lastimosa, that big 4 converted by Paul Lee. But those 2 big time shots from Mark Barroca in the end game, Trolliano got a look. The closeout coming from De La Rosa. And a shot
Napaw,
from the
eh.
corner. There was really no opportunity to foul if you are Magnolia because SMB came into it wanting to take an early shot.
And it's also dangerous to give up an early foul because players will launch a shot once they feel that the foul is ready to be given up. Excellent performance for Barroca, Lucero, Poli, Jerome Lastimosa,
Yung display, ha? Si Lucero.
Xavier Lucero, I mean, where would they be wasn't it not for his first half efforts? They were down by 14. They could have been down by a bigger margin if he did not play up to his level in the opening half.
We also have to give credit to his sparring partner, Yensa Canal, who made the biggest defensive stop in overtime to preserve the heroic outing coming from Xavier Lucero.
He is the best player of the game, and our final score is 98-95. The Magnolia Chicken de Planos Hot Shots will stay undefeated in your season 49 PBA Philippine Cup Elimination Round. Reminding you of our games next Wednesday when the PBA resumes action here
Luis
inside the
Stephen
Metro
Parao.
Warriors against the TNT.
Okay,
Friday after that, the Terra Firma team will welcome the debuting Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel. We will get to visit to Xavier Lucero and Puchito Pistolero when we come back.
Solid ang fans. Solid ang samahan. Solid ang laban.
and that is tomorrow in Sacramento. And Green at the line. And Allie, one of the big things he would like to do is make another all-NBA defensive team. He is really focused on that.
He certainly would, and he told me, listen, as your career advances, it becomes more cerebral and it becomes less physical. As you're getting younger, they're getting faster, they're getting more athletic, so the only way to combat that is to do what they don't know, and that's outthink them. Coach says he shows up every single day, and his mind is his biggest asset.
Phase three. What a shot by Desmond Bain.
What a degree of difficulty on that three there by Bain.
In the last 5 games, he's over 53% from three. Butler will lead after the drive. Edie out by Phoenix. Butler in and out. It's Morant. John's got 14. Green's got 14. Krzyzewski on Bain. Edie down low. They're trying to cut. It's a throwaway. Another turnover. This time Curry with the interception. 12 turnovers.
Grizzlies turnover and easy transition bucket for Golden State.
They blitz Bain. Green on Jackson. Underneath Edie. They're forcing that, aren't they? They've gone to that now a handful of times to begin the
Well,
second half.
again, they have the height advantage and with Edie down low. He's got to be able to finish, or again, he's got to be able to pass out of these double teams more effectively.
Butler again. He knows one speed, and he took it in there hard. A 4th foul on the rookie Edie.
At the score table now, we're just going to take Edie off the floor here with those 4 fouls.
And change the size a bit.
But Aldama a better 3-point shooter, so now you spread it out, which is going to allow Morant and Pippen hopefully to take the ball off the dribble and get it to the paint.
Jimmy Butler from the line, 5 of 8 now, 6 of 9. As we take a look at our FanDuel point spread 4. On the team tonight here in San Francisco, we began at -6.5 and currently -11.5. The Warriors have beaten Memphis here in the Bay Area 6 consecutive times, and 7 of the last 9 games in this building. It's the Pippen. In between a Bobby kept his composure and puts it down. Pretty play by Scottie Pippen Jr.
And Memphis will not go away. Nice job there by Pippen Jr. because Curry couldn't pick up the basketball because he was beyond the half court. What a beautiful move here by Pippen Jr. Now we can get it down to single digits here.
Green picked up his 4th foul. With about 3 minutes gone here in the third.
And we got 4 on Edie for the Grizzlies and now 4 for Green